The Honda CBR650R has been launched in India at Rs. 7.70 lakhs. This middleweight, fully fed bike will replace the recently discontinued CBR650F in the Indian market. The CBR650R would be sold through Honda's 22 Wing World dealers and the one BigWing dealership recently opened in Gurgaon. The Honda CBR650R is powered by an 88.4 HP 649cc inclined 4-cylinder engine. The engine is found in several other premium Honda bikes which are currently available in India. The bike features a slipper clutch and Honda's version of traction control called Honda Selectable torque control system. Suspension is handled by a 41mm Showa USD fork and a monoshock. Braking duty is done by 310mm twin discs at the front and single-piston unit and a 240mm disc at the back.